Okay, so the focus of today's video is going to be about the spontaneous trip that I took to the home center. I was able to get some actual footage of plants, of pottery, potting soil, not pottery, but yeah, kind of pottery. Scrap that. I was able to get actual footage of plants, of pots, of potting soil, fertilizer, seeds, a bunch of stuff, just totally random. But I think it'll be really helpful for you to visualize what to actually look for in the dollar store or in the home center when you go shopping. So I really wanted to upload this video. So yeah, please watch it. And oh, I even got a few kanji translations too, so that should be really, really cool. But just like two. But anyway, whoops, shoot my camera. But anyway, so let's just check it out and see.
AYAHA, AYAHA, AYAHA.
AYAHA.
Okay, so we're in AYAHA and we have some supplies here. This is fertilizer.
AYAHA DIO.
AYAHA DIO.
Yes, AYAHA DIO.
AYAHA DIO, okay. And what about the other type? The little white ones?
White one.
Yeah. Like little pellets. Oh, I think over here. Maybe. Ah, like this. What do you call this one?
Can say that.
Okay, okay. How about this one? Same?
Yukikase Hidio.
And this is fertilizer.
Yeah.
And what do you call the dirt over here? So this is the dirt you need to plant. What do you call this dirt?
Usually flower and vegetable.
Flour. So this is what, hana?
Yeah, hana and yasai vegetable.
And what's this word?
Biodo.
Biodo.
Mixing.
Ah, so mix potting dirt.
Yeah.
Okay. So once more.
Hana
Mhm.
and yasai.
Mhm.
Biodo.
Biodo.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. And how about some seedlings? Oh, these are mostly flowers. Pretty cheap. What's this? 78 yen.
Yeah.
What do you call this in Japanese?
Porchulaka.
Pochulaka.
Yeah. Red, white, pink, same. Flower, common flower.
Different
and this
color.
Rose, pink, red,
Oh.
white.
Pochulaka.
Yeah.
Okay.
No color, no. Yeah, yellow, there.
Oh. Pretty cheap. How about some tomatoes or something? Oh. Maybe. I don't see any tomatoes or potato or togarashi, only flowers. Well, only flowers today. Only flowers. Oh, this is okra, $2.98. Tomato seedlings, 400. This is already blooming. Eggplant. Okay. Okay, so circular pots, 500 yen. Smaller ones, same price. So if you want to do herbs, you get something really small, around 500 yen, some 300. If you want to plant something big, potatoes, tomatoes, these are about 500 yen. You want to do like okras, 1,000 yen. But this bigger plants are gonna run you. I don't know, I don't see the price. Ah, here we are. 1,960 yen. Bigger plants, 1,960 or 500-600. Reasonable prices. These are really cute, like baby coconut trees. These plants you can grow in coal or some kind of clay-like thing. This says hydroculture. And you don't have to water them every day. Hydroculture. A bit more expensive, but for obvious reasons. Look at this one. This one is so beautiful. If you want things that are like really big, already grown up, look to spend about Ichiman. You see that price? But the work is already done for these bad boys. If you want gloves, pretty stylish. It's a wide variety. Also cute.
DIY カウンターでお客様がお待ちです。係員はお参りください。
Okay, so this is aloe. Variations. See the prices here. Cactus prices are pretty decent. This small baby for 600 yen.